we just say, phew, and thank you. We are so relieved. We're so excited when we got the announcement that we were approved to move to construction funding for replacement Spruce Grove Composite High School. We're appreciative of the collaboration with all of the folks in the room, our many partners, the government, to continue asking us the questions to help our plan get stronger, listening to our responses, asking us more questions, and doing listening, and it all helped to bring a really solid plan in place, and so we're very thankful for that.
Our students deserve to learn in an environment that will help them achieve success, and that means having a school that is not only a great place to learn, but for teachers and staff to work in. I know that once completed, this new composite high school will be a state-of-the-art learning facility that will be a place where generations of students can lay the foundation for a bright and prosperous future. Whether it's pursuing a career in the arts, entering the trades, or exploring new opportunities, this announcement is more than just bricks and mortar. It's about ensuring that students are given the space, tools, and resources they need to find jobs, raise families, and become leaders that will continue to move Alberta forward and make our province a better place.
The new high school will have the latest, the greatest career and technology and science labs, arts and drama spaces, and an amazing new gym that will be able to hold tournaments for the next generation of athletes and so much more. I'm confident that these spaces will give students endless opportunities to discover and pursue their passions for generations to come. And so in closing, with this important project for Spruce Grove finally moving to construction, I'm very excited that it won't be long until students are filling the halls of this new and beautiful school.
New high school is so important for the city of Spruce Grove. We're experiencing unprecedented growth in our community. The incredible quality of life that we offer, the incredible teaching and schools and opportunities and businesses has really shown the need for this type of investment. And we really appreciate everyone in this room for being here today, because this is a huge announcement for our community.
With the school now approved for construction, we've been able to cut 5 months off of the project schedule with this new in-budget approval process. I'm also pleased to report that we anticipate having a contractor in place by February, with construction expected to begin in the spring. This will provide Spruce Grove students access to a new state-of-the-art learning facility for the September 2027 school year. The building will be a combination of 1, 2, and 3 stories, having a capacity of over 1,900 students, which is an increase of more than 630 spaces. This new school will feature the latest in CTS and science labs, arts and drama spaces, collective and collaborative and flexible space, and lots of natural light.
Parkland School Division, where the world opens up.